Good afternoon, students. In previous lecture, we studied internal combustion engine. In that topic, already we studied introduction of internal combustion engine. Definition of internal combustion engine means the engine which produces power by the process of combustion internally, means inside the cylinder. It is known as internal combustion engine. Also, we studied engine terminology and classification of engine. Now, in today's lecture, we discuss about working of 4-stroke petrol engine. In that, there are following 4 strokes are required to complete one power stroke in 4-stroke petrol engine, out of which one is suction stroke, second is compression stroke, third is expansion stroke, and fourth one is exhaust stroke. If you see in the figure, one is a suction stroke, means figure A shows the suction stroke. This figure A shows suction stroke, B shows compression stroke, C shows expansion stroke. It may be a power stroke. Another is, last one is exhaust stroke. Now let's study it one by one. So in working of 4-stroke petrol engine, there are strokes, 4 strokes are completed. In that, first stroke is suction. This suction stroke is start from TDC to BDC, means in cylinder this piston is reciprocate from top dead center to bottom dead center. In suction stroke, if you see in the figure, it is inlet valve, it is exhaust valve, and this is spark plug. It is one of the important element in petrol engine. Due to spark plug, this petrol engine is also called as spark ignition engine. Now, in suction stroke, this piston is moved from TDC to BDC, and this inlet valve is open. Inlet valve is open and exhaust valve is closed in suction stroke. When the charge means it is the mixture of air and fuel. This air and fuel mixture means charge pass from the carburetor, and when inside pressure of the cylinder is low than the carburetor pressure, then this charge, means the mixture of air and fuel, enter in the cylinder through the inlet valve, means the charge is enter in the cylinder. When charge enter in the cylinder, the piston is moved in reciprocating motion, then the piston is moved from TDC to BDC. When piston reach as BDC position, the suction stroke is completed. Means for the completion of suction stroke, 180 degree of crank rotation is required. 180 degree of crank rotation is required. Another stroke is compression stroke. In suction stroke, the piston is at now as BDC position, and in compression stroke, the piston is moved from BDC to TDC. BDC means bottom dead center, TDC means top dead center. When piston move from BDC to TDC, the charge means air fuel air and fuel mixture is compressed. When this mixture is compressed, its temperature and pressure is increases. Here its temperature and pressure is increases. When temperature and pressure is increases when piston is moved reach at the TDC position, and at the end of compression stroke the spark is ignited. Next stroke is expansion stroke and power stroke. Means when in compression stroke the piston is reaches at TDC position, when air and fuel mixture its temperature and pressure is increases. This increased pressure and temperature at the end of compression stroke means starting of the expansion stroke. Expansion stroke also start from TDC to BDC. Here when piston move from BDC to TDC in compression stroke, that time here the spark is ignited, and when piston is at TDC position in expansion stroke. When spark is ignited, the combustion takes place of air and fuel. When combustion takes place, the fuel is ignited and the piston is moved from TDC to BDC. So it is then completed expansion stroke. This compression stroke is also required 180 degree of crankshaft rotation. This expansion stroke also require 180 degree of crank rotation. Another stroke is exhaust stroke. In exhaust stroke, piston move from BDC to TDC. At that time, the exhaust gases swept out from the exhaust wall in exhaust stroke. In exhaust stroke, piston travel from BDC to TDC. At that time, exhaust wall is open and inlet wall is closed, and these exhaust gases swept out from the cylinder through the exhaust wall in exhaust stroke. So, in 4-stroke petrol engine, there are 4 strokes are completed, out of which one is suction stroke. In suction stroke, the piston is moved from TDC to BDC. In that, inlet wall is open, exhaust wall is closed, and charge enter into the cylinder. That time piston move from TDC to BDC. In compression stroke, piston move from BDC to TDC. That type compressed air and fuel mixture, due to which its temperature and pressure is increases, and at the starting of the expansion stroke or end of the compression stroke, the spark plug is ignited the air and fuel mixture. So power is generated and piston move from TDC to BDC in expansion stroke. Now in exhaust stroke, piston also move from BDC to TDC. That time the exhaust gases swept out from the cylinder into the atmosphere by exhaust wall. Means in suction stroke, inlet wall is open, exhaust wall is closed. In compression stroke, both the wall in closed position. In expansion stroke, both the wall are in closed position. In exhaust stroke, suction or inlet wall is closed and exhaust wall is open in position. Also, this exhaust stroke also completed 1 degree of crank rotation. If you see, in 4-stroke petrol engine, 1 power stroke is completed in 2 revolution of crankshaft. How we can say that power stroke, 4-stroke in petrol engine, power stroke is complete 2 revolution of crankshaft? Means in suction stroke takes 180 degree of crank rotation, compression stroke also 180 degree, expansion stroke 180 degree, and exhaust stroke 180 degree. So near about 720 degree of crank rotation is completed when 1 power stroke is completed in 4-stroke petrol engine. So 360 degree is 1 crankshaft rotation, another 360 degree is 2 complete revolution of crankshaft. Means suction and compression stroke complete 1 crankshaft revolution. and another expansion and exhaust stroke completed another one complete revolution of crankshaft, means 360 degree and 360 degree 720 degree. So in 4-stroke petrol engine, power stroke completed in 2 revolution of the crankshaft. That is the working of 4-stroke petrol engine in unit of internal combustion engine. In today's lecture, we discuss about working of 4-stroke diesel engine in internal combustion engine topic. Thanks.